Hey friends, this is Casey with Casey's Keto Life on YouTube channel, and also you will find this recipe at caseysketo.com. So, 4th of July weekend, invited to barbecue, neighborhood barbecue, 4th of July, and you know what to bring and what to eat. Well, there's gonna be hamburgers and hot dogs and brats. That's gonna be easy peasy. You can eat meat, no bun, because it never even tasted good to begin with. And I'm definitely gonna avoid all those potato salads and pasta salads and coleslaws and all of the things that actually I have to admit I didn't even like in the past. And I've always hated baked beans, so it's actually pretty easy to be keto at a barbecue. So I always just going to bring my own little keto tray. And so part of my tray, I've already prepared it, and you can put more stuff on it. This is just what I start with: cheese, the smoked Gouda, pickles, olives, and deviled egg. A lot of times I do a smoked sausage on there also. You could do chilled shrimp. There's just endless amount of things. This wooden tray filled up with yummy keto snacks, and you will be the hostess with the mostest. So I do like my deviled eggs simple. One problem I have with deviled eggs is people put relish in them, they make them too hot and spicy, and they make the yolk part too runny. Those are my major deviled eggs problems that I've experienced. So I peeled my eggs, I boiled them, and you've already seen how to do that. If you have a perfect way to peel eggs, please put it in the comments below, because in all my years of cooking, I have never discovered one. So thankfully most of them did turn out okay. So just sliced them, and then I just scooped out the yolks. Okay, so I'm gonna take a fork. We're gonna keep this very easy peasy simple. And I'm just going to mash my yolks. That's all I'm gonna do, is just mash the yolks so that they can be scooped into the whites that have been boiled. Not one for making things horribly spicy, that's just me. So, full fat Hellmann's mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons. Boy, there's just nothing I hate worse than super runny deviled eggs. It's just gross. So I'm just gonna put that mayonnaise in there. And I'm going to add just a little salt if people want more salt. That was more like 1/8 of a teaspoon. And the only basic seasoning I'm gonna add is the ground mustard. Do not add liquid mustard. It makes them too liquidy. And just a teeny dash of pepper. Very small little dash of pepper. I'm going to take a rubber spatula, small one. There will be a link on Amazon. Please order that. And as you can see, it's not your kind of creamy, mustardy, relished deviled eggs that we're all so used to, that I kind of don't particularly like. So your deviled eggs will look like, and like I said, they're already prepared. I am just going to take a spoon, and then I will just scoop them into the deviled eggs. Alrighty, so we have our keto platter: pickles, olives, deviled eggs, the Triscuit crackers, which I have talked about because they are very low in carbs, and you can break them into small pieces with that cheese. Just love them, give you that little crunch. And just to make things pretty, I do have a link to my Zen herb garden, so I have some fresh thyme, and I'm just going to, with scissors, clean scissors of course, just kind of chop the little leaves off just a little bit, you know, onto the deviled eggs, just to make them kind of look all fancy and pretty. You know, we like things to look fancy and pretty, so I'm just going to keep doing that. And that is your keto platter. You will be very happy and satisfied at your next barbecue.